Every night, same prayer to a ceiling that just stares back. Empty cup, one chip chair, saving half this bed for you. Friends say give it time, but the clock keeps talking in circles. I laugh it off when it hurts the most. I just want one girl in my life, someone to stay when the days get quiet. Hands that fit inside of mine, eyes that don't look past me this time. One girl in my life to turn my name into home each night. I don't need the world to shine, I just want one girl in my life. I delete, then retype every message that I'll never send. Sunday walks, spare side, talking to a shadow like a friend. Maybe you're out there staring out a window, feeling lonely. If you are, I swear I'm learning how to hold you slowly. I just want